everybody, my name is Ashley Sidario and I'm an instructional designer here at Top Hat. And today, we'll walk through understanding your attendance reports. To view the attendance column in your gradebook, click on the arrow next to the attendance icon. This will reveal extra columns for individual attendance entries marked with the date when attendance has been recorded. By clicking on a date, you can open up the attendance report, which contains the record and response time of students. If you would like to modify a student's attendance record, expand the drop-down menu next to their name and select from the options to mark them as attended, absent, or excused. There is also an option to add notes in the attendance comment field if needed. Taking a look at the attendance report gives insight on whether students are on Top Hat during class. For more information regarding the Top Hat Gradebook, including its various functionalities and how to leverage Gradebook data, visit our knowledge base.